Hi besties, today I'm participating in a hop with Deco Easy and several other ladies. We are having a $100 PayPal giveaway to one lucky winner. If you would like to join the giveaway, you will need to go watch all of the videos in the hop plus leave a comment on each video. We are going to be having it open till May 26th and choosing a winner on May 27th. I'm going to leave the giveaway details in the description box. Plus, I'm going to leave the link to the other videos in the hop down below for you guys in the description box as well. So let's get started decorating my dining room area. I'm gonna start off by painting these placemats that I had. I picked these up at Hobby Lobby on one of their discount sales. I can't remember if I picked them up for like 80 or 90% off. But since I had already some other gold ones that I really like, I decided to paint these blue so I can get a little bit of a pop of blue in my dining room area. I decided to make my own sign with some lemon decor on it. I think it looks so cute. I went everywhere looking for a round piece of wood. I couldn't find something big enough, so I decided to cut my own. I did have this piece of wood already from a purchase from Home Depot when I was working on a different project. So I started to cut it out. It didn't come out as round like a perfect circle, but I think it came out nice. I really like it, and it's a really nice big wooden sign. I think if I would have more practice using the scroll saw, my circle would have came out a little bit nicer and more round. This is my second time using it. It was so windy outside this day, you guys, and cold, so I was just trying to hurry up and cut it out. I thought maybe by sanding it down it would fix the roundness of it, but it didn't. But it still came out really nice at the end. Now on to the fun part of weeding out the stencil and painting it. I'm gonna be using the Waverly chalk paint. I believe the color is in black or charcoal. I can't remember, but it's the black color, and I really like it because when I took off the stencil, I didn't have that much paint that smeared. There was only one little area on the truck, so I really like this paint. As I was taking down my shiplap sign, I was feeling a little sad. I had the sign up for about 3 seasons. I really enjoyed having it. I think it looked beautiful each time I would decorate it, but it was time for a change. So what I'm gonna do is patch up this hole that I had right here from when I used to have the swamp cooler. That was just the outlet for it. So I'm just gonna cover it up and patch up all of the holes here. This wall was such in need of a new paint job. You can see that it's gone through a lot. I have made so many different holes to hang so much different decor here. So I'm gonna make this wall look pretty again. So come along with me and see the process of that. I couldn't decide what flowers to use. I first thought I really wanted to use the white ones, but when I went through my flowers that I already had, I found these yellow ones and I really liked how it looked. So I decided to go with the yellow. I just think it makes the whole area a little bit brighter and it just looks so much better. I think it looks so pretty. I bought these chargers over at Hobby Lobby and I really like them, but when I put them down on my table, I wasn't liking how it was just kind of blending in. So I already had these lemon chargers from a couple of years ago, so I decided to use these instead, and I think it made it look so nice. I like how the blue and the yellow go together. I just think it looks so pretty. These white plates are from Home Goods, and these plates will always be the ones I use in my videos. I love them. I love the hobnail, and I just think they are so nice and they go so well with everything. So what I tend to do is just purchase new salad plates. These white and blue and like a little bit of brown plates that I'm using are from the thrift store, and I just think it all came together so nicely. I had actually ordered some cloth napkins from Amazon. I purchased some yellow ones, but they didn't come on time, so I decided to use these paper napkins that I already had from last year, and I think it still looked really nice, but I wish I would have had some cloth ones. I just really liked how the paper napkins looked with my whole setup. Even though they weren't cloth, they looked really nice because of the lemon theme. I'm really liking the way everything came out. I want to thank all of you for watching and coming along with me on my vision on how I wanted to decorate my dining room area for summer this year. I think it looks so pretty. It's kind of simple, but I really like it. At the same time, I thought about putting a runner down, but I just really like the pops of yellow and blue together, and a lot of the things I already had, so I only purchased, I think, the vase and a couple of flowers that went in the vase, but that was about it. Everything else I reused that I already had in my decor stash. I want to thank you so much for watching, and if you guys want to enter in the giveaway, go ahead and check out the description box below, and don't forget to check out the other ladies in the hop. I'm gonna leave the link to the next video down below, and I want to thank you. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye besties.